Home is where your heart is, and it's a good idea to invest from yourself when you're renovating. So put your ideas and your lifestyle, the way you want to live, in your renovation. And that way it has to be exactly how you want it. And the best way to achieve this is to use custom-made interiors. It's easy to get really excited when we talk about custom-made interiors, but let's talk about the pros and cons first. Let's start with the pros. With custom furniture and interiors, it allows you to customize your home to fit your style and your needs. You can get exactly what you want with no need to compromise. Custom-made interiors are built with you in mind. They are created around how you use your home and what's important to you. For example, if family meals are a main event in your home, you may consider an open-plan kitchen with an oversized pantry to stock extra delicious ingredients. Perhaps adding in a children's or teens retreat may be beneficial for growing children who need their own space. A custom design renovation offers the flexibility to treat yourself to an on-site gym or swimming pool that will give you the active lifestyle you may always wanted. You can choose materials that are more environmentally friendly than traditional building materials. For example, if you live in an area prone to wildfires, 1 or 2 walls of your home could be made with stone or concrete blocks, and you can use more steel. These materials have been used for centuries and have proven to be very durable and long-lasting. In fact, some ancient Roman structures still stand today. Another option is to renovate your home with recycled materials. These items are especially useful when building homes in remote locations where it would be difficult to transport traditional building materials. You can also use alternative methods like bamboo scaffolding, which is lighter than steel but just as strong. You can also use unique designs that you cannot find in pre-made products, such as stained glass windows or granite countertop. Tailoring your home's interior with uniquely crafted cabinetry and distinguishing features enable you to have the kind of result that you can only achieve through custom-made interiors. You can also maximize your space with very clever design. For example, incorporating elevated storage will maximize floor space, while cleverly positioned rooms will allow you to achieve your preferred amount of natural light through the home. The flow of the house will be personalized so that it's an effortless place for you to live. Maximizing your space with custom-made interiors and clever design will help you achieve a truly exclusive home that will increase the sale value. Next one is personalized budget. Cost of custom-made can be both an advantage and disadvantage. I see it as an advantage. One of the benefits of a custom home is that you're designing a home that works perfectly for you and your family, within the limits of your own budget. As you're consulted on construction materials, appliances, and fixtures, you control how much you spend on each feature. This means that when it comes to making decisions about the features that will make up your new home, there are no limits to what's possible. And now the cons. The first one, and for me the most important one, is it is a longer process. Of course, because of the time involved to make it especially for you. But at the end, you're getting a unique product, don't forget. Custom-made products will also come from multiple vendors. This means you may have to wait longer for delivery. For example, if you need new kitchen cabinets and want them made out of bamboo instead of wood, then it will probably take some time before those cabinets arrive at your doorstep. The process is also more complicated. It's not like going to a furniture shop and buying new furniture. Usually, new furniture will require industrial designer to design the furniture because of the ergonomics and durability and some other considerations you have to go through. It may also be hard to find the right contractors who can work with the products especially made for you. They may not be using those materials, or they may not know how to exactly install. As you can see, there are more pros than cons. The end result is going to be amazing. So I decided to use it for my home, everything custom made, and also ended up opening a new company to help you to have your own custom-made products and interiors especially designed for you. So check out Boxareno if you need help with your custom-made furnishings, interiors, and we're here to help you.